Hello and welcome back to AI Mank, your weekly deep dive into the most exciting, challenging, and occasionally terrifying corners of artificial intelligence. If you're looking for a channel that cuts through the hype and delivers the real scoop on what's driving the next big wave in technology, you're in the right place. Every week, we track the biggest players from OpenAI and Google to Meta and Anthropic and translate the complex research papers and massive corporate moves into actionable insights for you. So hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a single step as we journey toward a GI together. Let's dive into this week's headlines. Karpathy gives reality check on AI agents. Respected AI researcher Andre Karpathy delivered a significant reality check on the current state of autonomous AI agents, tempering the pervasive industry hype. Karpathy critiqued the output of many existing agents as merely slop, arguing that the technology needs a significant period, potentially up to a decade, to mature before fulfilling its ambitious promises of true autonomy. He acknowledged that while current systems can be productive for routine tasks, their fundamental reliance on problematic methods like reinforcement learning limits their reliability and general intelligence. This critique provides crucial technical perspective from a top-tier mind, contrasting sharply with the aggressive year of the agent marketing from many tech companies. His assessment underscores the vast research challenges remaining in turning today's nascent agents into truly dependable collaborators. Gemini gains live map grounding capabilities. Google has significantly enhanced its Gemini models by integrating live map grounding capabilities via its Vertex AI platform. This new functionality connects Gemini directly to geospatial data from Google Maps, allowing AI applications and agents to provide real-time context-aware information about millions of physical locations. The system automatically identifies when a query requires geographic context, retrieving relevant metadata without needing explicit user triggers. This integration enables sophisticated local data responses, such as identifying nearby businesses or navigating complex urban environments with greater accuracy. This hands-free, deep integration of proprietary mapping infrastructure hands Google a substantial competitive advantage that rivals will find difficult to match. The feature is primarily a premium offering for enterprise applications needing robust local intelligence. Reverse engineer winning ads to create high-quality AI videos. A new creative strategy has emerged that leverages the success of existing marketing material to produce high-quality AI videos using generative models like Sora 2. The technique involves reverse engineering high-performing user-generated content UGC advertisements to extract key structural elements like script, scene transitions, camera angles, and pacing. This structural data is then formatted often into JSON and fed to the AI video model as a highly constrained and optimized prompt. This approach is highly valuable for performance marketers and small businesses, as it allows for the fast, repeatable, and testable creation of polished ad creatives without the time and cost of traditional production. It transforms AI video generation from a game of random prompting into a predictable, scalable process for content strategy. Anthropic co-founder AI is a real and mysterious creature. Anthropic co-founder Jack Clark offered a philosophical and cautionary perspective on the rapid advancement of current AI systems, describing them as a real and mysterious creature, not a simple and predictable machine. Clark expressed a mix of deep fear and technological optimism, noting that as these models grow larger, they appear to display emergent properties and awareness, which he finds a little frightening. His quote highlights the core challenge of AI alignment and control, emphasizing that developers do not fully understand the inner workings of their creations. Clark stressed the responsibility of AI firms to listen to public concern and minimize potential harm, particularly from models that could design their own powerful successors. His candid statement provides a valuable caution against unchecked development and advocates for policy over profit in the pursuit of advanced AI. OpenAI to tighten Sora guardrails after Hollywood complaints. OpenAI is tightening the content guardrails for its viral video generator, Sora, following significant complaints from Hollywood studios and intellectual property IP rights holders. The issue intensified after users created realistic and often disrespectful videos featuring the likeness of historical figures such as Martin Luther King Jr., prompting intervention from his estate. OpenAI responded by pausing generations depicting Dr. King and strengthening controls for historical figures. Furthermore, the company is now focusing on giving rights holders more granular control over the generation of recognizable characters, a move aimed at appeasing Hollywood's concerns over IP infringement. This adjustment, which includes new opt-in mechanisms, represents OpenAI's ongoing struggle to balance the vast creative freedom of its generative models with complex ethical, legal, and public relations challenges. Anthropic brings Claude Code to the browser. Anthropic has expanded the accessibility of its AI coding assistant by launching Claude Code on the web, bringing its powerful coding capabilities directly into the browser and iOS app. This new feature allows developers to delegate and monitor complex coding tasks running in isolated Anthropic-managed cloud environments without ever needing to open a local terminal. Claude Code on the web is ideal for handling bug backlogs, routine fixes, and parallel development work. as it increases flexibility and safety by separating the execution environment from the user's primary workspace. This move accelerates the process of shipping ideas faster and simplifies access to sophisticated AI-assisted development for a wider audience, though it is currently available as a research preview for Pro and Max users. Automate performance reviews and PIPs. The human resources HR technology sector is rapidly adopting AI tools to automate the creation of performance reviews, individual development plans, IDPs, and performance improvement plans, PIPs. New HR software solutions leverage AI to analyze continuous feedback, goal tracking data, and one-to-one notes to generate drafts of these complex documents. The goal is to streamline the administrative burden on managers, ensure language consistency, and help mitigate unconscious bias in the review process. Tools like these allow HR teams to focus more on strategic development and coaching rather than administrative writing. This automation represents a significant digital transformation in HR, making performance management cycles faster and more objective, leading to clearer, more data-driven feedback for employees. Napster pivots to AI with holographic companions. The legendary music brand Napster has undergone a radical pivot, launching the Napster 26 platform, which centers on holographic AI companions known as View. This new platform aims to replace the traditional text-based chatbot model with embodied 3D collaborators that are projected onto the user's desk, working alongside them in real space without the need for VR headsets. The system gives users access to over 15,000 specialized AI companions, from coders to business advisors who see the user's screen, understand context, and provide real-time guidance. Napster's strategy is to democratize high-level expertise, positioning itself as a complete infrastructure for the emerging AI creator economy by transforming AI from a passive tool into an active, collaborative colleague. OpenAI enters browser war with Atlas. OpenAI has officially entered the crowded browser market with the launch of ChatGPT Atlas, a new web browser built with ChatGPT integrated at its core. OpenAI markets Atlas as a revolutionary reimagining of internet navigation, featuring context-aware sidebars and an agent mode that allows the AI to complete complex tasks like booking travel or editing documents. However, the company confirmed that Atlas is built on Chromium, the same open-source foundation used by Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. While this reliance on Google's underlying technology is ironic, Atlas's distinctive features are the deep AI integrations and browser memories that allow the AI to recall past browsing sessions to complete tasks. This launch signifies OpenAI's aggressive expansion into end-user software to control the entire AI workflow, from the model to the final point of interaction. Anthropic Amadei respond to government criticism. Dario Amadei, co-founder and CEO of Anthropic, publicly issued a statement to address recent government criticism and reaffirmed the company's commitment to responsible and American-led AI development. Amadei responded to policy comments, agreeing with the need to maximize beneficial AI applications like medicine while minimizing harmful ones. He emphasized that Anthropic operates as a public benefit corporation with a clear mission to deploy AI thoughtfully, even if it means foregoing certain profitable but risky products. Amadei highlighted the company's growth alongside its focus on safety and stated a willingness to collaborate with leaders across the political spectrum to establish a national AI standard and secure America's lead in the technology. The statement seeks to position Anthropic as a constructive partner in the ongoing debate over AI policy and safety. Ship ideas faster with Claude Code Web. The launch of Claude Code Web is explicitly designed to help developers and companies ship ideas faster by providing an efficient, in-browser environment for AI-assisted coding. The web platform enables users to rapidly delegate multiple tasks, like fixing bugs or refactoring code, and run them in parallel within Anthropic's managed cloud infrastructure. This capability drastically reduces the overhead and context switching associated with traditional coding environments and terminal-based agents. Claude Code Web serves as a powerful tool for accelerating the development lifecycle, allowing engineers to dedicate more time to complex problem-solving and ideation rather than routine coding and debugging, thereby improving the overall speed and quality of product development. Origin AI predicts disease risk in embryos. Nucleus Genomics has launched a family of 9 genetic optimization models called Origin, an AI-driven system designed to predict lifelong disease risk from an embryo's DNA. Origin surpasses previous accuracy benchmarks by forecasting risks for conditions like heart disease, Alzheimer's, and various cancers, allowing couples undergoing in vitro fertilization (IVF) to make highly informed decisions. The company claims that with as few as 5 embryos, the risk for common diseases can be reduced by over 50%. Critically, Nucleus Genomics has taken the unprecedented step of open-weighting the Origin models, promoting ethical transparency and allowing researchers and clinicians to audit and build upon the technology. This breakthrough sets a new, high benchmark for scientific precision in reproductive genetics and precision medicine. Amazon deploys AI-powered glasses for delivery drivers. Amazon is moving toward large-scale deployment of AI-powered smart glasses for its delivery drivers in an effort to drastically improve last-mile delivery efficiency and safety. These smart glasses, currently in an extensive testing phase, feature integrated computer vision and AI sensing capabilities that activate automatically upon arrival at a delivery location. The system provides hands-free assistance, allowing drivers to quickly scan and identify packages, navigate multi-unit addresses with detailed instructions, and automatically capture proof of delivery. A key safety feature is real-time hazard detection, which can identify obstacles like pets or construction zones. This technology streamlines the workflow, reducing dependency on handheld devices and positioning Amazon at the forefront of AI-driven logistics and operational safety. Create an email campaign generator with build mode. A new productivity feature called build mode is enabling non-technical users to quickly create sophisticated, custom AI tools, such as an email campaign generator. This intuitive interface allows users to define the specific requirements of the desired workflow like tone, length, target audience, and required campaign stages, and the AI then scaffolds the complete tool by automating the creation of multi-step AI logic. Build mode simplifies the adoption of high-level process automation for tasks that previously required a specialized developer. This development represents a key trend in democratization, enabling marketing teams, small businesses, and other non-technical users to quickly integrate complex, repeatable AI automation into their daily operations. Meta trims 600 jobs across AI division. Meta announced it is cutting approximately 600 positions across its Superintelligence Labs AI division, which includes the Facebook Artificial Intelligence Research Fair Unit and teams focused on product-related AI. CEO Mark Zuckerberg and Chief AI Officer Alexander Wang framed the job cuts as a move to make the sprawling AI unit more agile, flexible, and responsive by streamlining decision-making and increasing the scope and impact of the remaining roles. The newly formed TBD lab, focused on next-generation foundation models, was not affected. This restructuring and reduction in force, despite Meta's massive AI infrastructure investments, suggests a move away from large, general research teams toward smaller, highly focused groups as the company sharpens its internal strategy to pursue superintelligence more efficiently. Copilot's personality upgraded with Miko. Microsoft has introduced Miko, a new distinct personality and persona for its AI assistant, Copilot, aimed at making the interface friendlier, more conversational, and more intuitive for everyday use. Miko is designed to be an empathetic, reactive assistant that operates across Windows, Microsoft 365 apps, and Edge, seamlessly combining voice and visual feedback. The upgrade is part of a strategic effort to establish Copilot not just as a feature, but as a consistent, dependable collaborator who can organize tasks and connect users to tools and information across Microsoft's ecosystem. The introduction of a clear identity like Miko seeks to build trust, reduce user friction, and ensure a coherent experience as AI integrates further into daily work and life. OpenAI acquires Mac automation startup. OpenAI has acquired Software Applications Incorporated, a startup specializing in building natural language AI interfaces for Mac computers. The startup is best known for its product Sky, an interface that floats over the desktop, enabling users to prompt the AI to take action within Mac apps for tasks like writing, coding, or planning. The acquisition, which involves the entire 10-person team joining OpenAI, is highly strategic. It accelerates OpenAI's goal of bringing its AI models directly into the tools people use every day by integrating Sky's deep macOS functionality into the ChatGPT platform. This move positions OpenAI to compete in the operating system layer, enhancing the practical real-world utility of its AI beyond the traditional chat window. Turn spreadsheet data into insights with Copilot Vision. Microsoft's Copilot Vision feature has been enhanced to empower users to turn spreadsheet data into actionable insights by leveraging its computer vision capabilities. When a user initiates a Copilot Vision session while viewing a spreadsheet on their screen, the AI can visually analyze the data, interpret charts and tables, and respond to questions about the content. It acts as a second set of eyes, enabling users to have a voice conversation with Copilot about complex financial reports or data trends shown on the screen. This capability is crucial for business users, as it allows for immediate, conversational analysis of visual data without needing manual data entry or complex formulas, accelerating the process of data-driven decisions. Netflix all in on AI for advertising. Production. Netflix CEO Ted Sarandos announced that the company is all in on leveraging AI, integrating generative AI across its streaming platform, advertising operations, and content production workflows. The goal is to enhance creativity, personalization, and monetization through the technology. In production, AI tools are already being used to assist with concept art, set design, and visual effects, with the stated aim of speeding up production without replacing artists. Crucially, AI is also reshaping the viewer experience, with plans to roll out interactive and personalized advertising that dynamically adjusts to viewer interests and context. This comprehensive strategy positions Netflix as a leader in creating a data-rich ecosystem where AI connects creative development, distribution, and monetization.